Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Learning with Web 2.0 Tools. This week is going to be pretty exciting, and it may just blow some of your minds. So we're going to make a movie together this week. We're going to work on a tool called WeVideo that works really well with Google Drive. And so I've made a little tutorial here on how to do that. So I'm just going to kind of run you through some of the screens and things that you might choose to use, or you might have to use while you're making the video together. So I'm not going to go into the details of the project right now. Those are in the course, but this is just sort of a little bit of a tutorial on the actual WeVideo service itself, which by the way is free, but you can upgrade to a premium membership or get a school account, which is, I mean, almost now it's like a must-have, I would say, if you're a school that has Google and you like making videos. Okay, so we're going to start after you get logged in and set up your account, which I will show you a little bit about later. But you'll have, you'll basically have your WeVideo screen and any projects that you have. And so I will have shared a project with you already at this point. But if you wanted to create your own new project just to mess around with it for a little bit, you can click Create Project up in the upper right, and then give it a name, and then click Create. But again, so I will already have created a project for you, and just look for that, and the instructions for that will be in on the course page. So once you're in the project, one of you will be responsible for creating a new video and getting things started. So, as you may have already read, everybody will have roles that they will play in creating this collaborative video. And so whoever it is that creates a video, essentially just click Create New Video. Make sure you're in the course project. You can see where the red boxes there. Make sure that you've got the proper one highlighted. It's not going to be called OA Learn Web 2.0. It'll be called something else. So you click Create New Video. When the video editor loads, you will see on the left-hand side, you'll see My Media and Project Media. And I'll show you in just a minute how to get items into Project Media. But before you can do anything, you will need to upload some images that you have found to support your PSA, and you'll see there's quite a ways to do that. So you click on Upload, and on the Upload tab you have an option of just uploading from your computer. Maybe you've taken these pictures and downloaded them to your desktop, but you also see on the bottom the ability to connect WeVideo, and this is what makes it so powerful, with a variety of other tools, including Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive folder in there, which I have created, you can drop anything in there, videos, images, and other things, and audio files, and get those right into your project that way. Connect to Instagram, Flickr, Facebook, Dropbox, Picasa, and Box.net or SkyDrive, which I have not used. But you choose. I'm not going to go through every aspect of uploading. You can probably figure that out once you choose. Once you connect to one of those services, sometimes it can be a little niggly, but once you get connected, you just go back to the editor, and you're going to want to find your media. Go to the Media tab, and here on the Media tab, what you're going to want to do is take any pictures that you upload and share them with the project. And by doing that, you have to select a few of the pictures that you want to share, choose Actions from choose the Actions drop down, and then Share to Project from the Actions drop down list, and that'll get those files into the editor. Okay, once you have files in the project folder to share, you can see actually in this picture it's My Media is highlighted, but go to the Project Media folder, and all you have to do is simply drag an image and drop it right down on the main video track So those four things you see down there are called tracks. The top one is the video 1 track. That'll be used for text and other video that you might want to overlay on top. But pretty much everything you put in there will go into the main track. And then you've also got a track for audio, maybe an audio soundtrack, or for a voiceover, which is what I'm doing right now, is a voiceover. And so you can also, add audio to your track simply by clicking on the audio tab. And there are audio files in there already that you can use that are, what are they called? They're not fair use. They are royalty free is what they are. And you can just use any of those. You don't have to give credit for any of the audio that's in WeVideo. But you can also add your own if you'd like by uploading it. You can add a title by going to the text tab and choosing any one of the different title types and just dragging that down onto the video 1 track. And now you can see in this image we have a couple of images, we have an audio track, and we have a little voiceover. You can see how that kind of looks together in the tracks. The voiceover is kind of a light peach, and the audio one is I don't know what you call that, kind of a light red color. Okay, so an advanced trick here is there's a little toolbox icon. You can see number 1 there. If you click on that and choose show volume opacity, I think is what it is. Let me look here exactly. It's called, show clip opacity. You can actually make whatever's in the video 1 track, so you can see through it and into the track, into the video behind it. So you can make things kind of fade in and fade out, however you want to do it. It's pretty slick that way. That's a new feature of this tool. And so, before you get too far, you want to set a title for your video in the upper right by clicking on the little drop down. I think it might be called Getting Started with Video. It's right next to the picture of a cloud, and then you'll put your name of the video in there and click Set. And before you do anything else, you will need to go to WeVideo, and you can, if you use Chrome, you can get the app from the web store, or you can just go to wevideo.com and sign in with the Google account that you use for this course. And that way I can make sure I get everything shared with you properly. I would choose the personal plan, the one on the left that's free, but you can see there's some other ones you can pay for if you want more out of it. And so once you get signed up for that, I will send you an invitation to work on this project. I'll try. I don't think I can send it to you until you get signed up for WeVideo. So please let me know when you're signed up for WeVideo, and you will see a pending invitation in there just like this. And then I can go ahead and get you started on a collaborative video project. Probably the first one you've ever done, working together in a video without trying to figure out how to move video files all around to different computers. If you've ever tried to do that with Windows Movie Maker, you may have chose never to do a video project ever again. And hopefully you'll give this a chance and see if you can do some amazing stuff with your kids on this. So have fun, and feel free to ask me if you have any questions.